Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial, Belgium, Wisconsin today. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel, where you will find a plethora of awesome used diesel generators for sale. This is actually a little 39 kW Spectrum Detroit diesel. Puts out 12208, 3-phase. Comes with an inline 6-cylinder Ford natural gas engine. So if I said diesel at the beginning, it's just because we're so used to that. So this is a natural gas machine. We have it set up to our meter here. We're just going to run it for a short time for you. We went through a whole service on this engine. It has new oil and filters all around. So it does not come with a radiator, so you would have to set up your own cooling package with the machine, whether it be a radiator, some sort of city water cooled system. Has its own start and stop panel here and its own unit mounted main circuit breaker. So that is it. Let's get this thing fired up and show you how it runs. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, simple little inline 6-cylinder engine here from Ford. You can tell it's very quiet, doesn't even have a spark arrestor on it or anything. So if you folks are looking for a nice little natural gas setup, give us a shout here at the office, 262-476-5045, or get on our website at gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.